Hello, can you listen to my voice? Am I audible? I hope I'm audible. Just wait a minute. I will share the link with my community. Then we can start to trade. So, what are we looking for on gold? Right now, we had this long, but that we did miss, which was at 8 p.m. So, I had to wake up at 6. So, we will try to wake up at 6 from tomorrow. On the Nasdaq, we are rejecting from this breaker. So, we might take this long. We might take this long on real account. Just wait. Let me announce this in my community. Awesome announcement. Chat flow. I hope I am audible and you can listen to my voice properly. Uh, Let me share my copies. Hello, am I properly audible? Please confirm if I'm. I hope I am audible. Okay, and you can listen. So let's see. We have this breaker today at 24,075 on the Nasdaq. We have today's dog here. Let's mark it. This is the low. Let's call it end of. What is the closing price at 449.8? This is the closing price as 448, 449. So this becomes our end of high. Let's call it end of high Thursday, March 26, 2026. Give it 14. Delete this one, copy this one and paste it here. Add this 6, not 1 opening. Now let's call this low. are. Now the question is, will the market come back and uh, crash into the end up again, because it has done it once, twice, and it will let go for third time, or will it respect this minus IFBG and go for lower prices? I'm personally looking for lower prices, like till here. Our sell side liquidity is somewhere here. We have our sell side liquidity at these places. Yep, these are the liquidities and which I am aiming for the day. And if this breaker fails, that would be a very good sign to go short with. There is no fair value gap here, and I'm not going on this long. Let's look at gold, our primary market. So I wanted to see a break of this liquidity, and we have seen that. Today we might go and explore the Asia low of the yesterday, that is 25, and the sell side liquidity is below. But yesterday we just ranged all the day and had a small fall. Then again we started ranging. We had two losing trades yesterday, two yesterday losing trades, and three break even trades. This was a thunder FBG. We couldn't catch. Okay, so now here is our liquidity graph, and we are looking for the prices to go higher. This is accumulation, this could be manipulation, and then we can look for a distribution above. This is our TSS. That would be this candle. But I want the market to swipe out this low. This low must be swiped for us to enter into any trade. Till then, let's look at Nasdaq. The Nasdaq has respected the breaker long, and I want this inversion minus inversion fair value gap to be respected as well, and drive the prices lower for the day. Well, this is Asia session. The volume on Nasdaq is very low during this time, and volume on gold is quite high. That's why we are trading gold during this session. I want this liquidity to be swiped, then market to take U-turn and go up. But if the market gives a TSS here, then I will take this lot at long, and aim for 1 is to 5. We are currently at break even level on our in our account. Sorry, this is not the account. We are trading this Kerosene Capital account. We are currently at break even level, a plus 0.5% almost above up. Uh, for the Nasdaq, I am on sales. If we get this body candle closer below this low, I will consider a sell. I will consider a sell then. Only if we get a body candle closer below this. So let's have a alert here marked. Let's come back to gold. The gold is going down and it might take out the yesterday's London low. Yes, yellow London low has already been taken out, or it might go up above again. But before that, I want the market to take out either of this, that this one or this one. Liquidity to be taken out, or even if the market gives a TSS here only, then I will take the trade. Let's change it to line chart and see how it goes. Yep, I have the right marking. The standard fair value gap is standard cap fair value gap was for this one this long, and there here the standard fair value gap was for this short. Let's switch to gold on the chart as well, and now wait for the market structure shift or the thunder structure shift, and then we can look for longs. But the fact that the lows has yet not been swiped is kind of confusing me, and yeah, I mean unwillingness to take a trade. I'm not in a totally what I said, fully confident about taking this trade, and fully uh, confident on that the this thunder fair value gap will surely work. But what I can see is that this was an accumulation. Market went into a manipulation. Market swept out these lows, and if this creates a thunder structure shift right now, then I am on sell. I am on longs. So we might get a thunder structure shift. So wait for it. Once we get the confirmation that the thunder structure shift has been confirmed, then we will take the trade. Yeah, we are about to get a thunder structure shift, but I want to see a body candle close above the TSS. Only then that thunder structure shift will be confirmed. Let's use this one as the TSS, and let's see if we get a body candle closer above. Let's look at dollar index to confirm our bias. The dollar index must go lower for us to go higher. There is no confirmation in dollar index as well, but here do if there is an accumulation, then this could be a manipulation, but dollar index has no signs of going bearish at all. So the gold is not going bullish. We might go to Asia low, sorry, Asia low of the yesterday, and that would be a huge move. But I want this liquidity to be swiped. Till then, there is no trade. But I want to jump onto a trade right now. Let's look at Nasdaq and see if we can jump into a trade. The market is still trading at the breaker long, and it hasn't touched the yesterday. I mean, this inversion fair value gap, minus inversion fair value gap that should drive the prices lower. We do have a CISD plus FVG here. Let me show you. We have this CISD, and the FVG is still not confirmed. We are back at the opening price of the day, that is 4,506. So there was no fair value gap, so there is no trade setup. Wait, I will just be back in 2 minutes. Sorry for the interruptions. So here we are back in the markets. And let's see how the market will behave to us. I mean, with us. I'm hoping for that 100 structure shift, and if it gives, we take the entry. Let's look at dollar index for any signs of bearishness. There is literally no sign of bearishness on the dollar index. It is literally going to go up high. Like this is a whole open clear market here. Like totally open to go up. There is nothing that says the gold that the dollar index can go down. All the indications are that the dollar index will go up. But if the dollar index comes down, the gold will surely rise. And we have a thunder structure shift to confirm the rise. And here the gold, the dollar index fell down a little. So let's see as gold. It is above the thunder structure shift, but it also must close above that the level above that level. So we confirmed as a what? But we let's lock it. We had a body candle closer. Yes, we have a body candle closer. Now we want a fair value gap here, or we will have to use this order block as a thunder order block. Now we must wait for the closure of this candle to enter into the trade to the long side. Yeah, so this will be our thunder fair value gap. We'll see if the market is bullish and that 100 fair value gap is going to be respected, then it will not care to come below the wicks. It will just come to the wicks and then rise up. That's why I include the wicks in thunder fair value gap all the time. The SL will be here, so we can increase the amount a little to match the $50 risk criteria. So we have taken an entry, and let's see if we get filled in. Our entry is at the opening of this thunder fair value gap. SL at below the previous candle's low, and we will aim for 1:5. 1:5. This is our trade. Let's look at dollar index. If we see any bearishness, yep, the dollar index has fallen down a lot. We want to see a closer below this for the confirmation of the bearishness in dollar index. And before that, I want the market to take our entry. I don't want to miss this move. Like, this is going to be a very big move. This will surely go above the consolidation, so I can target this high, or at least this high. 1:6, nearly 1:6. Let me enter into this trade with my other account, that is 3K instant. Which one is the thunder? This is on the thunder fair value gap. SL comes down to this 400 and execute. We look for around 1:5, that is $50 in profit. Let's come back to our wealth or a funded account, and let's see if we get filled in. The market has crashed into the, we just need a little bit more to get filled. Yeah, now we are filled in. Now if the market is bullish, then it will just go up from here and not even bother to touch the fair value gap that is below the wicks. So let's see what happens. Market has touched the thunder fair value gaps, consequent encroachment, and it might come down to touch the today's opening price again, but the model was there, so I took the trade. That's all. If the model is there, the trade will be taken. That's my rule. The market is not as bullish as I thought it should be, but did we get any candle closer below this? No, we didn't get any candle closer in the dollar index below this. Once we get a candle closer below this, then the bearishness of the dollar index will be confirmed. So the bullish bias on the gold will also be confirmed. The gold has touched the opening price of the day. Thankfully, our SLE stop loss is below that, and now my gold might go up. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index is rejecting from this shift in market structure shift. That is bad for our bias for the gold to go bullish. However, if we get this stop loss, then we will have another entry short, and we will get into this entry regardless of our loss. So we were saved by just few points, like just 1 point tick, and we are going bullish right now. Let's look at dollar index. What happened? Come on, dollar index, come down. We were saved by just 1 point, and I don't think that our SL will survive. Yep, the dollar index has closed bill given us MSS, so we might go up in the gold. So you might consider taking a re-entry here. Let's close this loss, the first loss of the day. So here there will be another TSS. We just took a loss. Let's look at US 100. The US 100 is going up aside very fine. So this inversion minus inversion failure we have failed. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index is going down and the gold is going down as well. This is not the type of correlation we wanted to see. So we are in drawdown of $50. This long was taken at 11:20. Let's see the yesterday's long that we had lost. At which time did we take that long? Here. This long was taken at 1. This At 11:50 there was no long. I had taken this long was taken at 11 a.m. The winning longs were taken at 7. The shorts were taken at some time later. So we might, we don't have a TSS, but we do have a liquidity swipe. Hi, let's look at dollar index. The dollar index has confirmed its bias to go lower. That means the first fair value gap after this high, low, lower, high, low, higher, high, lower, low. This what I call this is the whole has a one inversion fair value gap. Yep, let's call this minus IFVG. Let's not take this one. Let's just take these two candles. Let's take this one candle, and once we get a TSS again, we will enter into the longs. Our next TSS will come here. Did you swipe up any other liquidity? No, we did not. Yes, I said if the dollar index goes down, the gold will go up. The gold is going up, and now we are waiting for a confirmation to enter into this trade. So we might have booked the loss on that account as well. Let's delete this account. We might have expected a loss here as well. Yeah, we have booked the loss. I think I'm near the overall drawdown that is $90. I have like $27 more in the drawdown left. Should I just go long here? Let's take a risk and just go long. Our stop loss here and TP at just lamp for $30 this time. Let's do 40 or 50, 70, 80, 90, 80. We're going to take out these highs. $87. $100. This will make me come back into cover all the dollar drawdowns, and or I will just lose this account today. On this account we don't take any useless risks. Here we are at with XAUSD. We will wait for our TSS, only then we will enter into the markets. Hi. I think the SL will be hit and this as well. The markets are not working like it used to work in the past. It's totally unstructured. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index is going down, and that is a very good sign for the gold to go up. The gold is being kept in this range, which means a big move will come into the dollar. I mean gold. Come on, give a TSS so we can enter. Should we enter here with a risk on? Like dollar index has went down, and the risk if we buy here is going to be 50 to $60. But the gold has yet not given the TSS. And we know that the market reverses from TSS drastically. That if the thunder, if the market change in that state of delivery is not going to be there, that is why we are not. Uh, just wait for it. If we get this loss, this will be our second loss, the consecutive loss of the day. Yep, we have a TSS. So let's enter into this trade, and let's see if we get filled in. But there is a question: is this one a fair value gap? There seems to be a volume imbalance here. Is this a fair value gap? Let's look at this closing price 1245, opening price 1245. There is no fair value volume imbalance, so there is no fair value gap here. We will have to enter with this fair value gap. That's the 100 fair value gap, and we have marked our entry. Now let's see if we get filled in. Again we go enter with, we have entered here. Stop loss at this candle slow, and our target is 1:5 as usual. If we don't get filled in and went to our target, then our target on this that for traders account is this one. Let's bring it here and let's see if we get filled in or not. Now we just wait for our entry and we'll already have what we should have. Now let's just wait for our entry. Come on, gold, come down and give us an entry. I know you're going to go bullish because dollar index has been bearish from the point it gave a market structure shift, and for the dollar index there is a free fall betting. So if the dollar index is going for the free fall, then you must go for high dive in the air. So we are waiting for our fills. We are waiting for our fills. We are waiting for our fills. We haven't been filled in right now. Just waiting for the fills. Hi, 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 hi. Our bhai and bhavi is fighting. We are still waiting for our fills. The market has yet not given us the fill yet. The gold is running higher and we do are not in the trade. That is one bad. We are still waiting for our fields. Wait. If we had taken this long and then our full DP would have been smashed by now. Hello. We can come for a dive to this thunder fair value gap, so just wait. Or we can have a big move up higher. The Dixie has been falling since we had our market structure shift, but the gold is being under consolidation all this time, was kept in this range. We might get a sell on Nasdaq. Wait for the structures to shift. Once the structure shifts, then we might get a sell on the Nasdaq. I will trade till 12 or 12:30 p.m. and a.m. Then, sorry, p.m. Then I will close the stream and start the stream again on random session. We are still waiting for our fields in uncertainty. So we are about to be filled in few seconds. So let's just wait and see what happens. So we didn't get filled in because of spreads. Let's see if we get fills. We have touched the fair value gap. We are filled in now. And now let's watch the market behavior. Now this is the proper touch of the fair value gap. Let me pause the music for now. This is the proper touch of this fair value gap. Sorry, but we don't have any wicks on this candle, so we are taking the proper fair value gap. If this fair value fails, then we will have to rethink of our strategy and our asset to trade. The Dixie has been moving down for a quite long, and for this long there is no yes, this is this high. So we are in like perfect sync with Dixie index. The market is waiting for a free fall for the dollar index. So please dollar index go for the free fall and make the gold go up for a high dive. This should be 1:5. It was so easy for like few days ago. Like market used to touch the 100 fear where we have take our entry and just go to TP. But from like 3 4 days, the market has been behaving very oddly. Now we are above the our entry point now. So we have entered the markets. The market is in our favor right now. So let's wait for this market structure shift. Ah, wait. I will just come wait for. So yes, so we were here at looking for the gold to give us a market structure shift, so we can expect the prices to go higher. We are about to give a market structure shift, but we must confirm with a body candle close. We have 30 more seconds to this candle's closure. I will stay in this stream for like 1 p.m. Eastern timing, so 1 hour more. So we are currently at 1 is to 1 hour, and we are going good. So let's look at Nasdaq. As I had said, the Nasdaq has given a breaker short. Where is breaker short? Here it is. The dollar index is not going down yet now, but I want the dollar index to fall till this level. Only that way the gold can rise up to our take profit, that is 1 is to 5. Our TP is at this level on. Let's see if the gold reverses back from here or it goes up. We have all this liquidity to clear out in the buy side. We have Asia high here, and I don't think the Asia high will be cleared in the Asia. Would it will clear a new Asia high? Let's see. I want to see the market create a new Asia high. We already have a Asia low of the day, which is this one. Let's copy this. This is Asia low of March 26. We have filled and we are in a profits. Are we in? So yes, we are. We are at 0.4% up in the account, and think we are taking too long to go above. We should have already marked this and surpassed the 5% in our trading, but we are taking small losses a lot. That is why we are taking too long. We had one loss today, that is $50, and we are not at break even at all. We are again back in the range. That's not what I wanted to see. We tapped into Thunder Fair Value Gap again, and there we were uh, concerned about our entry not being filled. We are in macro time frame, and this is a new hourly candle. So let's see how this new hourly candle prints on the price chart. Let's see our old hourly candle. Oh set man, now this is not good. We are in barcode action, and I think the market can go down. I am not sure, but I think the market can go down. a lot. We also have this hourly fair value gap. On the 5 minutes time frame, we are in barcoding as well. So this was one candle eating the all three candles alone. I just hope this green candle is not eaten by another red candle. Let's just see how this hourly candle will print. If this also goes to the barcoding action, then we will see a down move. If this does not go for a barcode action, then we will see an up move. The barcoding action is there, then our stop loss will be taken out. If the barcoding action is not there, then we will hit our TP at $300 in profit. Right now, it's looking like the market is going into barcoding action again. Such a city price action. So, how do you like the sounds in the background from my family? They are making the noises on the purpose because I'm streaming. So, here I am back again, closing the doors of our room. So do we have any news right now? Let's look at and if we have any news right now. Forexfactory.com. It's 26. It's 26. We have yet news at 8:30 on AM. There is no news. Unemployment claims. I think it's tomorrow. Nah, it's not tomorrow as well. It's today at 8:30 AM. We are at 12 AM. So it's like 8 hours still now till the news. Let's begin the music. Can you hear something? I hope I'm audible and the music as well. I will close the stream in just 1 hour, then again start the London session in at 3 a.m. Let's go bull 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 bullish. Let's go let bullish. We are like 1% up. Nah, we are not 1% up. We are half 0.5% up. The market has got some bullish momentum now. So let's see how long the market will have this bullish momentum. We are at 1:1 something right now and nearly 0.6% up in the account. We are spending too much of time in this consolidation. Let's move on charts and do some commentary. Let's see if we had any signs. No one. Let's look at US 100. The US 100 is coming down now. It has touched today's index again. The Asia session was seems to be expansion time, but it is going to be under consolidation, and we are 20 minutes up in the hourly. Let's remove this. Let's see if this candle holds up the prices higher. We are going towards our take profit. We haven't marked our take profit on MT5 because when we hit our TP, I will do a partial and then break even with 50% of the, or just I will just take out all the profits once we hit our TP. And then this is taking too long at this point. The dollar index has a free fall. Let's look at silver. The silver is making higher highs and higher lows. The silver has went up quite high from the time of this is at 7 p.m. Do we have a thunder fair value gap? Yes, we do. Market went up from this thunder fair value gap. In here, if we see, this one is the thunder fair value gap. Bullish. This one is thunder fair value gap bullish as well. If we look at here, then this one is the thunder fair value gap. If the bears, sorry, if the silver has went up, then it ensures that the gold will surely go up as well. This one is a thunder fair value gap as well. Now we all have to do is wait for the market to give its final decision with time. Just like 36 minutes more in the market I am, or in the stream I mean. What's going on? So we are moving up. Wait, into are we 1% up? We are going to be 1% up nearly, or in the very near. What happened to the music? So we have a new music. Okay, okay. So we are going up now. We are nearly like halfway our profit target. Do we are? Let's see at what are we currently in. We are currently at 1.5 RR. The halfway would be here, and that's where I would like to take a partial. We are 1% up in the account. Yes, now we are 1% up in the account. Most of the times, market reverses from this point, but I'm anticipating a big move to the high side. This is the breakaway gap. As we are going higher, we are creating liquidities below. We will be at 1 is to 2 RR soon. Yeah, I'll just come now. Wait for a minute. I'm back. And let's see the market. Market is moving like a turtle, and here the dollar index has fallen a lot, but the gold index is not going up. Let's look at silver. The silver is about to give a market structure shift. So as the gold has given a market structure shift, so is this the point of reversal? We can't say anything like this could be the inversion fair value gap here, extending all the way down to the right side. And I want to go break even right now with at least $30 in profit. Let's get break even in this account as well. Let's see how much in profit we are. We are $30 in profit. That's a quite good margin. We will go $20 in profit here as well. If the market reverses, then we don't have to worry about. Are we going to reverse? We don't know. The gold has been moving very slowly. Did we create a swipe of liquidity of this? Hi. Yes, this liquidity was swiped here. So our next swipe should be this one. You have swiped this liquidity out. That's liquidity purged. The grab on liquidity has been purged, and this will become our TSS. So let's see how it goes. This is normal behavior around a liquidity point. If we get to pass this liquidity point, then we will have a good run higher. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index is trying to go up. Here it is. Here is the market structure shift for the dollar and gold index. Sorry, dollar index. We have had this market structure shift, and the dollar index has given the market structure shift as well for the bull side, which means the dollar gold can go down. But we will wait for this confirmation on the dollar index. Here is the breaker to go long. I still want to hold on to this trade, or my SL will be hit. We have shown signs of market reversal, but we are still holding on to this trade. Let's look at dollar index. And the dollar index is respecting the breaker long, but we are still bullish on the gold. Just waiting and waiting. We don't have anything. This fair value gap just may not be an version fair value gap. Oh shit! What a dive and then a rejection. Such a moment of tension. This is like triple top on 1 minute time frame. We are still struggling to go up higher. I will close the stream in 15 minutes because then I have to start the London stream in at 3 a.m. Well, the market has got some bullish momentum right now, and it is moving to the bull side up. Let's see at the dollar index. The dollar index broke below the breaker long, and that's a good sign for the dollar to gold short. And so we will hold into this trade on gold because now the gold has momentum to go higher. I mean the potential to go higher, move higher. Okay, I will use move higher. Yep. That's a good move. We are up by 1% and 1.1% now. Now we need 7% more to hit our TP. Sorry, to hit our the profit target. We are at 2%. We will take a parcel at 0.2.5%. So let's watch and enjoy the stream. The dollar index must have fallen down. Yep, it hasn't fallen down yet, but it will. It has more potential. I will not close the gold trade until the gold index has fallen down to 99.4 at one level. And let's look at gold at Nasdaq. Nasdaq has went into a consolidation after this breaker short. I will know and got the chance to enter this trade, or this was the chance. This candle was the chance to enter into this trade. Let's come back at gold and look at our progress. We are at 2 RR now. Oh, it's reversing. Not now, not now. It is the time for the gold to go bullish. Let's look at this. The swipe was here. We have a small liquidity swipe here. Then according to that, this will become the market structure shift, and I hope this market structure shift does not come into play. Only with the body candle closer, this market structure shift can be confirmed, and then I will surely move my asset a little more higher. This candle should act as inversion fair value gap. Come on, gold. Let's see dollar index. The dollar index has begun to move up again. It might move up to this level. There is inversion fair value gap. Let's look at on 5 minutes. We have these volume imbalances. The market might go to fill them, and that's where the gold is falling. But I'm sure that the gold will go up and rise up for sure. We had a new 5 minutes candle, and we will close this hourly candle in just 8 minutes. And if we stay above these, let's say this line, then we are good to go bullish. Let it stay pink, and let's come to 5 minutes time frame. Let's come back at 1 minute time frame. Okay, so here we are. This is the low of the hourly fair value gap, and we want the market to stay above this when the hourly candle ends, so that the bullishness is confirmed on hourly time frame as well. this market structure shift which has already been confirmed. We want the next 7 minutes to stay up above this line, this pink line. Where is the here? We want the market to stay above when this up to this line, up to this 1 hour, 1 a.m. Let's come at 5 minutes time frame. Let's remove this inversion fair value gap. So this is the last 5 minutes. The next candle will be 5 minutes candle will be the last 5 minutes candle. Now if this candle stays above this pink line, then we are good to go. If this candle closes above the 5 minutes this pink line, then we are good for the our bullish momentum. So let's see how this 5 minutes candle prints on the price chart. This last 5 minutes is going to be very tense. We have 3 more minutes. The price needs to hold the price. The candlesticks needs to hold the prices of the pink line for the early bullish candle closer. Two more minutes and we will have our bias for the hourly next hourly candle. Last 2 minutes and this print the market is not printing in our favor. The market is totally not printing in our favor. The market has begun to consolidate. It looks like the market will go down, but the prices are still holding up and down at the same place. The pink line needs to hold the prices up, or we will go down very strongly. This is last minute of the hourly candle now. This last minute will decide the fate of the market. Will it be bullish or bearish? The pink line is the hourly fair value gap low. If it ends above the fair value gap or above the fair value gap low, then there is a chance that the next hourly candle will go up. Otherwise, the next hourly candle can go down. We are under next 30 seconds candle. The fate of the next hourly candle depends on this 24-second candles. Now we are under the last 20 seconds, 15 seconds, and we are still up the pink line. Last 10 seconds, the macro seconds, they where the price moves very fast. We are still above the pink line. Yep, so we are in the new hourly candle now, and we can expect higher prices from here. We might go down to touch the pink line, but the prices will go higher according to the fair value gap logic. As I had said, if we hold the pink line, then the market can go bullish. But market can go also bearish. It is not confirmed in the market. It's always 50%, 50-50 of uncertainty on both sides. So this is 1 a.m. and I will close my stream now. So bye bye, and we will see again in just 2 hours. And I will have this trade on. If the trade stays on, then we will meet in the next stream. Bye bye for now. I'm closing the stream now. Have Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day. Be